Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us
on Radio SI.
Na zdravje.
Na zdravje. Really nice wine.
Is there a word in Hebrew for na zdravje?
L'chaim.
How is it?
L'chaim.
L'chaim.
For life.
Aha, for life.
To life. L'chaim.
Okay. To life. To a happy life.
Shalom, dober dan. My name is Lior. I am originally from Tel Aviv, Israel, living in this beautiful capital, the capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana. Living here for the past 6.5 years and enjoying every moment of it.
So, welcome to, yes?
Yeah, welcome to Odprta Kuhna. Welcome to Ljubljana, to Pogačarjev trg, and to happy days.
Happy days. So where did all these people come from, Lior?
I don't know where they come from, I know where they go to. They go to Odprta Kuhna, which I'm the most happy to see. Came from all around probably, some tourists, some locals.
Okay. So we're walking right now.
Yeah, we are cruising, crisscrossing.
Crisscrossing between the stands.
Between the stands of Odprta Kuhna, now we are next to Dvor Jezeršek. We can see Šmoren in the making.
I like Šmoren. Yeah.
Who doesn't? Next to us you can see a lot of sweets, for example from Zvezda. Slovenian champion of coffee is here next to us.
Champion of coffee?
Yeah. Barbarella, which is one of the more unique chefs in Slovenia for vegan food.
Vegan, vegetarian.
You can find Skuhna, which is a collective of workers, foreign workers that are living in Slovenia and decided to expose their traditional culinary experience. You can see next to us Shambhala with some Vietnamese and more Asian type of food. Namaste with Indian food, Russian food that we have here, Argentinian food, Mexican food, and again some more Slovenian food over there from Gostilna Rožnik with some štrukli. Smells, sounds.
It brings a smile to your face.
Cannot take the smile off my face.
I'm hungry.
Are you thinking about what to eat?
I'm thinking what to eat all the time. All these smells just makes me nervous actually.
Okay, so you have a lot of choices.
Too much choices. Too much choices actually is not good.
Okay.
So,
Lior, so too much choices might not be such a good idea.
Why
because
not?
People are confused.
Well, these are the best problems we can have.
Okay. This problem is not a problem.
This problem is not a problem.
It's solvable.
Exactly, we can solve it. They can just pick up something. No, I love this variety of food. I love this confusion. It's important. This is really, that's a part of a marketplace where you come and you don't know what you want to take. That's the part that is the most fun. I don't know what I want to try next. Yeah. Falafel, no fish, no hamburger, no dessert. No. This is fun.
Are you tired?
No, full of energy. Full of energy, just beginning.
But you don't have time for a break. I mean, you're always running around.
There is always something to do. Look, when you have 10,000 visitors and more than 40 restaurants, a lot of smiling faces, and you have to keep it like this, it's a lot of work. Much more than this. It's a lot of maintenance. It's a lot of work behind it.
Yeah.
And you see all these smiling faces around you. This is what we have to keep all the time.
Yeah. From your experience now, are Slovenians open to new types of food? Like, are they buying these things? Are they open to it?
Of course, definitely. I think Slovenian, many of them, they like to go back to what they know, yeah? But many of them in the same time like to say, okay, let's try something new. The main idea was to create a place where people from all ages, all part of society, locals and foreigners can come to one place and enjoy the best of the best Slovenia can offer from culinary point of view.
You come from which city in Israel?
Tel Aviv.
Okay.
Tel
So
Aviv.
what's the biggest difference between Tel Aviv and Ljubljana?
The sea.
Ah, okay, the sea.
The sea.
Do you miss the sea?
It's the only thing that I could say that is missing in Ljubljana. It's not the city's fault, not anybody's fault. It's just something that I would be really happy to, in the hot summer days when it's above 30 degrees, you just want to jump to the sea, yeah?
But here you just have the river.
Yeah. We are still waiting that it will be swimmable.
You are listening to Land of Dreams, this week with Lior Kochavy, an Israeli living in Slovenia.
So what brought you here? What brought you here, Lior? Why did you come here in the first place?
Love, the best thing.
Love,
yeah. I met my wife, the person who later on, of course, became my wife, Alma. I met her while traveling abroad. We were both traveling in Asia, and we've met, and it was meant to be.
And are you happy here now? Have you adapted? I mean, you said you're happy before, but yeah.
Happy, definitely yes. Adapted, trying to, but I still need to give a lot of effort more. For example, language for me personally. Language is the hardest part to adapt. Cultural things and the people I really take very, very positive things from them. I learned a lot of positive things from Slovenian people regarding how to treat life, how to treat family, dedication to the house. Work is not above everything. Yeah, life is not less important. I've learned a lot from Slovenian people. Slovenian work to live, and Israeli are living to work.
Okay.
This if to define it more on the difference.
Well, that is a difference.
That is a difference, and this is something that I've learned here in Slovenia, how to enjoy more life. To know how to take the time out and to say, now I'm with my friends, now I'm with my family, and I'm sorry, not available.
The future? Do you see yourself here in the future? You living here in Slovenia and staying here until the rest of your life? Could that be a possibility?
I don't see any reason why not to. I mean, I'm happy. Everything is okay. My wife is pregnant. We are going to have. We are going to have our son very soon. We'll be born in Slovenia and will grow in Slovenia. And I don't see any reason why not to. I mean, I'm very happy here. This is a really nice place to be. No reason really to search for other things, and as long as everything is okay and family is healthy and everybody are happy, everything is perfect. In many ways, yes, it is the land of dreams. In many ways, yes.
But it lacks what?
No, no place is perfect. Nobody is perfect and no place is perfect, and we all, where I come from, it's far from perfect, Israel, and no place is perfect in the world, but each one has its own dreams, yeah? His own wishes, his own dreams, his own goals, and I think each one can find his dream coming true in Slovenia. Yeah?
Slovenia could be the place.
Definitely, for me it is. For me it already is, yeah?
Well, Lior, it was nice to be with you here in Ljubljana.
Pleasure. Thank you very much for coming.
Okay,
Happy
thanks for having me.
Always available.
It smells good, looks good. I wish you good luck.
Thank you very much. The same. Srećno. I love you all.
Yeah.
Everything is okay.
Land of Dreams. Take the trip with us every Wednesday at 11:20 a.m. and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. only
on Radio SI.